No intro, nothing. I'm just gonna go ahead and start the video. First niche, which is affiliate marketing, and its true CPM average between $12 and $22. I'm not talking about high paid CPM for countries. I'm talking about niches. Countries, if the people that are watching you from a high paid CPM country like first world countries, Norway, Qatar, USA, your CPM is gonna go high. I'm talking about niches here. So the second one is gonna be trading and investing, which average true CPM is $8 to 18, I guess. Yes, it's $8 to 18. And the third niche is drop shipping and print on demand. Same CPM for both, $7 to $14. The fourth one is content creation, average true CPM between $5 and $13. The fifth is personal finance, average CPM between $4 and $12. And we got, for the same amount of CPM, $5 to $4 to $12, we got a lot of niches like VPN content, Amazon affiliates, website hosting, tech reviews, web development, cryptocurrency, insurance, website flipping, software reviews, business advice, career advice, and last, real estate. Real estate is high actually if your viewers are from a first world countries. As I said, Norway, Eastern Europe. Norway is Norway in Eastern Europe? I don't know. Norway is the highest paid country by CPM, though. As I said, first world countries: Norway, Qatar, USA. These three are the highest ones, I guess. Kuwait too. The Gulf Arab countries are all high CPM countries, except Saudi Arabia. I don't know why. So this was the video. I hope it was helpful. So leave a like for me and subscribe to motivate me to make more videos for y'all. Take care. Good luck with your business and leave a like, please.